Hello everyone! Julia and little Cherry are here. Today you will learn how to make Adopt Me Halloween decorations. Okay guys, what you will need for making Adopt Me Halloween decorations today? You will need color paper, pencil, scissors and good mood. So let's start and have some fun! Okay guys, let's make Halloween Adopt Me decorations today. So we will need a piece of paper, and if you will decide to do many decorations, so probably will need even more. So I'll just fold it along paper piece. So I'm just folding it together to try to connect it perfectly. And now I will also divide this piece of paper into 3 parts. So I will just try to fold it 3 times more. So I'm just folding this one, and then you can fold once again like this. And now we will draw a triangle. So actually we will be doing Halloween bunting flags, and we will draw Adopt Me pets there. And you can actually draw your favorite pet. I will just show some of my favorite, and you can create your own. So I will just find the middle part of it and divide it into equal parts, and then draw a triangle. So I'm just drawing 2 parts, and the folding part is here. So now we will just cut our flags, and it will be easy to draw on the flags, so not to go outside. So I'm just cutting out, and my folding part is here, and here separate pages. So I'm just actually making 3 flags. And if you will decide to do a long Halloween bunting piece of flags, then you just do as many flags as you wish and put it on one ribbon. So, and I will get already, one is like fold another, so, and like this. And you can draw on both sides or just on one. And this is actually connected, so I just disconnect them. So I will start drawing first piece, first Halloween Adopt Me pet, and I will start drawing from, as it's Halloween, I will start drawing from the pumpkin, and you can draw a ghost, or maybe you will decide to draw a ghost dog or something else. So, and now I'm just drawing a pumpkin, so it's a little bit like a squished oval we are drawing. Remember, it's like how we draw pumpkins, so it's easy peasy squished oval here. And then we are drawing this little tail of the pumpkin like this, and 2 ovals inside. It will be its eyes, and 2 circles in different directions. So it's really like very easy. And also we will draw leaves. So I will draw simple leaves. Don't make them too curved, and then other leaves go this way. So I will just show them like this. And now all we have to do is just to color it. So I will draw another one, so put it here, and now I will draw Ghost Bunny, because I just love Ghost Bunny from Adopt Me, and it's also easy to draw it here. So I will be drawing a line, and then I will draw almost following, and the same here. Just leave space for its ears and then connect it like this. And now we will be drawing ears, so it's just line going down like an oval, part of an oval, and here the same, just to keep them on the same level and going down. And here we go, and then repeating this line actually for the inside part of its ear, and if it's not even, it's even make it looks cute. And now I will be drawing 2 circles, black eyes, and now a little circle here, like a little bit in triangle shape, and 2 circles here. So Bunny is ready, and also an oval, squished oval here, showing its belly like this, and Bunny is ready. And now we will draw a new duck ghost pet, so it's really cool, and it's very similar how we were drawing our bunny, but I will draw a line here, a little bit wavy shape, so going down, then a wave and going down, and then I will make this wave here even bigger, and then go this way. And now I will draw 2 ovals, small one, and then I will also show a zigzag line down, up, down. We will then just color it, repeat it and color it this purple. It's really cool. Then I will be drawing a line up and down, up and down, so it's really scary. Then we also will draw 2 purple squished ovals here, and now I will be drawing a squished oval here as well, just to show where we will be coloring. And now we will draw this, I don't know if it's hands or what, how to call it. It's really like hands, spooky one, so it's a scary ghost here, and I will try to fit it in my flag, so I will just repeat it. And you can also draw on the other side of your flag, and then we will put a ribbon inside and make a beautiful decoration. And you can make as many triangles as you wish, so and just draw as many pets as you like, or maybe you will decide to make some patterns and circles and lines, so why not? So you can make as many triangles as you wish, guys, and all we have to do is now is just to color it. Okay guys, let's color our beautiful Halloween bunting flags. I will start with pumpkin, so I will just color its eyes, and now I will use orange, and of course you can create your own designs, and I'm looking forward to see your beautiful Halloween decorations. Hope you really love drawing with me. I really love drawing with you guys and enjoying creating these beautiful Adopt Me pets. They're really cool, and all are excited and looking forward to see what is new for Halloween in Adopt Me. So, and now we just color our pumpkin, and I will make a little bit darker inside. Nice, so or you can mix colors if you color with pencils, and you can always mix the colors if you don't have a certain color. So I'm mixing, and now it's really cool. And I have green here for tail and leaves. And you also can create different patterns on your flags, and you can cut out as many flags as you wish, guys, and make a beautiful decoration. And maybe you will put it in your room, or maybe you will put it on your window. Why not? It's really beautiful, and everyone will see that you love Adopt Me. So pumpkin is ready now, and let's color this cute bunny. And I will use light blue for small nose and for its body, so it's really ghost bunny. So here we go. I really love this bunny, and I think it's pretty cool. And just shading. Don't rush, take your time. If you need to pause the video and rewatch it, just take your time. And our bunny is almost ready. And you can also draw a dragon, or maybe you will decide to draw a ghost dog. It's just up to you. It's no limits here. The limit is only your fantasy and imagination, so you can create anything, guys. And isn't it cool? So bunny is ready. Look how cool it is. And now we'll be drawing this new duck ghost pet. I really love it from the first time I saw it. So it's purple here, and purple for the zigzag line, and this purple rings are here and here as well. So, and now I will just color it with dark gray, or you can use black if you wish. So it's almost black. And the same here. So just shading, and look, it's really scary. And that is why I actually love it. It's so cool. This duck ghost. And the same here. And now shading all its body. So we just trying to keep this purple. And now I'll use, it will make it just faster to color it, just speed the process. It's really go out, but it's okay. I will just make like a shadow. So only happy accidents, no mistakes, as you know, guys. So it's really cool. I love it. Just fantastic. And you can now put it, just fix it on a ribbon. So I have this one. Like I will just put inside like this, and you can make as many flags as you wish, guys. So we will need also a glue stick just to fix them, and I also have prepared, so here we go, and I also have prepared few more. So this scary Halloween we have here. Look guys how cool it is. So I actually will put all these flags on my ribbon and then decorate my room. And all you have to do is very easy. You just use your glue stick and we just try to stick it together, so I go all along. That's it, pretty easy. And you can also just put it inside and ready. Yes, and I will do it for all of them now. And you can also color the other side if you wish, or just use one side. And now I will stick all my flags and I'm almost ready for Halloween. And it's a beautiful, beautiful decoration we have created today, guys. I really love it. It's so cool and nobody else has the same. It's only you. And isn't it fantastic that you create your own decorations for Halloween? And they are unique, and that is why I love drawing and creating different stuff. So it's, you can create anything. And now we are almost ready, and I will decorate my window with these flags and send your beautiful drawings in order I can see your decorations, guys. Hope you enjoy our lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel to see other videos which are coming soon. So I have a lot of stuff coming up. And the last one. And now I will just put it together and show to you. Yeah, so here we go. Here we go, guys. It's so funny. I can't put it in all of them into my screen, so I'm just trying to show you my flags, and I hope you really enjoy creating it with me. So I really love our spooky Halloween decorations, guys, and a little magic, guys. Look how cool are our Halloween Adopt Me decorations. Well done, guys. It's really, really spooky. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoy making Adopt Me Halloween decorations today. And if you like our lessons, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see our next videos. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Happy Halloween. Bye bye.